everything involves direct outlay of cash. Mark my word, everything. Before you do anything important, you will definitely spend money, be it consumption or investment. In this century and beyond, activities such as production, investment, transportation, project management, buying and selling, and so on involves direct outlay of cash. These and more reasons are basically why every organization takes their finances very seriously. And the more reason why the demand for financial analysts is on the rise in the labor market. So if you truly have these skills, then the sky is your starting point. To help you acquire these skills, I want to introduce you to a course on financial analysis in Microsoft Excel, which is a course that will guide you through from A to Z on all the professional knowledge you need to have for you to conduct financial analysis and management before any critical decision is made that relate to finances. Remember that finance is the key to success or failure of any decision, project, or investment option that anyone or any organization want to partake in any part of the world. When you enroll in this very particular course, I will introduce you to the importance of financial analysis and management. Then I will show you the tools you need to use for you to conduct financial analysis in Microsoft Excel. But before that, I will guide you through the process of installing Microsoft Excel 2021 version, which is the same version I will be using in this very particular course. As a preliminary, I will introduce you to basic Excel functions such as the sum, the average, how to navigate an Excel spreadsheet. Then we will discuss data validation and error handling. When we are done with these basics, then we will dive into the main subject matter, which is financial analysis. We will begin by discussing the time value of money. We all know that money changes its value across time. We will see how to calculate that in Microsoft Excel by using the PV, the FV, the NPV, and the IRR function. Then we will look at data tables for sensitivity analysis. After that, we'll move to the next module and see how we can prepare a financial statement. This includes balance sheet analysis, income statement analysis, cash flow statement analysis, and ratio analysis, where we will explore sales and revenue forecasting, expenses forecasting, creating budgets and projections, scenario analysis, and goal seeking. This will properly guide you in making budget by estimating what you currently have, the money you are to spend, and what you will do in the nearest future in order to avoid being short of cash to your organization. Then when we are done with this, we'll move to the next module and look at valuation technique, which is simply a strategy that is used to value assets. We all know that two or more assets has different values. So we are to calculate this value by using the discounted cash flow formation, comparable company analysis, that's the CCA, and further explore other Excel models for valuation. Then when we are done with that, we will move to investment analysis and discuss capital budgeting and investment appraisal, and look at issues such as payback period, MPV, IRR for investment analysis. I will not forget to discuss risk analysis and Monte Carlo simulation. Then we'll conclude this module by looking at real options for investment analysis, so as for you to have a proper guide on what investment option you are to choose, given some certain condition that you use as your measurement tool. So that simply means at the end of this very particular course, you'll be well equipped to manage the finances of an individual, a business organization, or maybe a government, because you've gotten the basics of what you need to do justice to this very particular job. So click on the link attached to this very particular video and navigate to www.aqskill.com. Make your purchase so as to start your journey to financial analysis using Microsoft Excel. I will be your instructor in this very particular course, and my name is Jamil bin Abdallah. I will see you on the inside.